Hello, and welcome to the Holistic RI podcast. We believe when you are leading your own healing process, you are empowered to make lasting changes in your journey towards consciousness and health. Our mission statement is to improve the health of our community and our environment. We believe they are one and the same. Welcome to Holistic RI podcast, a mind, body, spirit revolution.
Why do you, so Katharine, why do you do what you do? Why did you choose your profession?
So I chose this profession because it was actually something that I needed, even though I didn't know that I needed it. I was very depressed for 20 years and didn't see any way out of it. I came across a flyer for a shamanic introduction to shamanic journey class. Really had no idea what it was or what I was getting myself into, but I did it, and there's been no looking back. It was like a doorway had opened for me, and I began to understand how I was operating, and I began to understand the nature of depression and the energy of it, and how it wasn't me, and I didn't have to continue to live in it. It took a lot of work, and I had help doing that. I did counseling sessions regularly in order to move out of the depression, and I can remember waking up one day and it's like, I don't feel depressed, it's not there. I don't feel that heaviness. Like I felt like I was always treading water, and if I could keep my head above water, I would be okay. But the day that I couldn't, I wouldn't make it. And there was something in me that was determined to make it. And I found this method of depth hypnosis and the shamanic work, and it was life-changing. And I thought, I need to do this because I get it. I know what it's like to be in that place, and I know that we can get out of it. And I'm so happy to help you do that.